So we're going to do two examples on linear sequences. We start by looking for the difference between the terms. So if we look at the first sequence, 2, 7, 12 and 17, the difference is going to be plus 5. We're adding 5 each time. That's also known as the term to term rule. It's going to be plus 5 every time. And that then allows us to start the sequence, which I'm going to do in a second, once I stop confusing myself. We're going to write that as 5n, and that is the start of our sequence. Then the second step is to check how you go from the difference back to the first term. So since the difference is 5 and the first term is 2, then I'm going to be subtracting 3. So I'll write that step out. So work out how you go from the difference and then back to the first term. So from there, from the 5 back down to the 2 is going to be taking away 3. And therefore our nth term rule for that first sequence, 2, 7, 12 and 17, is going to be 5n take away 3. So our last step is just to write the sequence, or the nth term for the sequence. Which is 5n minus 3 nice and neat. And the second example uses the same steps. So we're going to work out the first difference, and it's clear that it's going to be 4 for each of those. Therefore the term to term rule is 4. So we can write that as 4n, that's the start of the sequence. And then we look at what we do to 4 to get back down to 0, and we're subtracting 4 each time. Okay. So it's going to be 4n minus 4 for our nth term for that sequence. There you go, nice and neat.